Ms. Stephens' case.
Saunders.
Oh, Ms. Saxon. Ms. Saxon, can you state your appearance?
Tina Saxon? I'm sorry, I didn't hear who you called.
I called the case of Jason Smith.
Thank you. Tina Saxon on behalf of Mr. Smith.
Your name, sir?
Jason Smith.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing on this case?
Your Honor, I have to ask for an adjournment on this. I was just appointed yesterday, did request discovery, but I have not yet received all of it.
This is the only thing holding him.
Your Honor, I expect there to be a probation violation incoming for him that should be holding him.
All right, but it's not as of yet.
But it's not as of yet. He also has holds out of Canton. He has two holds, both set up with bond at $300.
Okay. I'll adjourn the probable cause to October 23rd, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the People versus Harold Couch.
Jacob Kenny for the people, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Hall appearing on behalf of Mr. Couch.
Couldn't Vincent do this?
Well, you know,
I mean, why do I have both of you?
we haven't found out if I can do it yet, Joseph.
Okay, all right. All right, fair enough. Your name, sir? Harold Couch. Thank you.
Your Honor, we're here today for probable cause conference. I got to speak with Brother Counsel yesterday regarding the case. And there is something that's out there that appears relatively important to the choice as to how to move forward, whether to hold a prelim, so on and so forth. And I think Mr. Kennedy and I cleared that up. And we're going to ask for an adjournment approximately 4 weeks to give a bit more time so that this evidence can be obtained and forwarded. But this sample was provided some time ago.
Well, what? And you don't have even the preliminary results? Is that what the issue is?
That's correct statement, Judge.
All right. Probable cause conference will be November 6th.
You picked the perfect day for my calendar, Judge.
I do what I can. November 6th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of the People versus Diego Cardone.
Good morning, Your Honor. William Amadeo, P76194 on behalf of Diego Rondon Cardoni. Diego, please state your name.
Diego Rondon Cardone. All right. I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant will be pleading no contest to 2 charges, count 2 of domestic violence, the 93-day offense, and count 3 attempted interference with electronic communication, the 1-year offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. That there is a sentence agreement between the parties. Of course, the court is not bound of no upfront jail, no 4A or HIDA. That is the court's full understanding.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Your Honor, there was a global plea where if the court would accept, he would get PR bond today. He pled in Judge Washington's court as well. That was
We
discussed.
have no objection. Being untethered to the legal.
Yeah.
Pardon?
We would have no objection to being released untethered today.
And he has done 28 days, Your Honor.
Is that a correct statement of the agreement then?
Yes.
May I have him sworn?
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes,
What's your name?
Diego Rondon Cardone.
All right, sir, it is this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading guilty or pleading no contest to 2 misdemeanor charges. Is that correct?
Yes,
All right. The first charge is that of domestic violence. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days of jail, $500 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that, sir?
yes,
The second is attempted interference with an electronic communication. That's a 1 year. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year of incarceration and a $500 fine plus court cost. Do you understand that, sir?
yes,
All right. Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
yes,
All right. 2 things about it I have to make sure that you understand. The first thing is it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest these charges. You understand that?
yes,
Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court will treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right. You understand also your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge and you would be your sentencing judge and you would be sentenced before Judge Washington in the 14B District Court. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Still wish to plead no contest
Yes.
to the charge of domestic violence? Well, basis for the no contest plea.
Civil litigation, Your Honor.
To the charge of domestic violence, how do you plead?
No contest.
To the charge of attempted interference with electronic communications, how do you plead?
No contest.
All right, now you understand that by pleading no contest, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that you're waiving all of those rights, including the rights contained in paragraph 5 on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily
Yes.
of your own free will.
Yes.
Court has been provided and has reviewed Washington County Sheriff's Office report for their case number 25-45546. Any objection to the court having reviewed that report?
No, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of these offenses. Sir, you understand that if I accept your plea, if between the time of this plea and the time of sentencing, you commit misconduct as defined under the Michigan court rules, the court would no longer be bound by any evaluation or sentence agreement. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
You understand also you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea.
Yes.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has the court complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Judge.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest. 2 counts 2 and 3. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 14B probation. Sentencing in this matter will be,
November 10th at 10 a.m.
say again,
November 10th at 10 a.m.
November 10th, 2025, 10 a.m. before Judge Washington. As to bond, there was an agreement that he will be released on a PR with a tether.
Correct.
That's correct, Judge.
Court will reset the defendant's bond to a $5,000 personal recognizance bond. A GPS tether must be in place prior to his release. Did you give me that order already?
We did.
Do not get in trouble between now and November 10th. And also, there's going to be no felony on your record.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, location chart. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case of people versus Juliet Barnes.
Good morning, Rob P. Columbia, Ms. Barnes. Judge,
So is she there or not? You're,
I'll just tell you a sad story.
okay.
Judge, she's been very hard to contact. She calls me, I call her back. Again, it's just mixed communications. Judge, would you agree to adjourn this out? Just a couple weeks. I'd really appreciate it. We've been through this before with her, and I'm not sure why this is happening again, but I would greatly appreciate it. You being a considerate judge you are.
I was waiting for that line. So she's not here.
I keep calling Judge, no, as far as I know.
The clerk's office that she got a flat tire on her way in this morning.
She's on her way here.
She just said she got a flat tire.
Were you aware of that?
Of what?
That she called the clerk's office, said she got a flat tire. Now, she did not indicate exactly where she was going or that she was actually going to show up.
we should give her
But
the
she at
benefit, of-
least contacted the clerk's office.
and you being the judge you are, you should give her the benefit of the doubt. So we should,
Do I do that?
can we,
What is that? What does that mean? No, yeah, I don't know.
Judge,
So
can we just pass this for an hour or
you're
so?
killing me, Kilowog.
Thank you, Judge.
I didn't even say anything. I'll pass it. Court calls case, People versus Douglas Brown. He's back.
Try to leave, they keep pulling me back.
Senator Overwater, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of the people. Assistant Prosecuting Attorney, new path.
What? Which one are you doing? All right, we got it.
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Vincent, on behalf of Doug Brown.
Your name,
on
sir?
the record. Douglas Brown, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are lacking some videos.
How come
involved in
you
this
just
case.
don't have, everybody else has videos except you? What's up?
I like to say it's age discrimination, but I'm not gonna go there.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know anything about the videos he's?
Your Honor, the notes indicate that 19 videos were sent by email to Mr. Vincent's office, so those are all the videos that we have. So if there's something else that he's looking for that he doesn't have, I would need to know about that. But I was in communication with the people in charge of his office.
The ones really running the show. Yeah,
Yes.
go ahead.
Yes.
So they have the 19, but you haven't, in any respect, you haven't had the
We
opportunity
need
to
the
view them.
videos from Hamburg Township, Livingston County Sheriff, and Wayne County. There was a tour.
So were those, why do you make things so hard? Were those the videos that were sent, do you know?
I
Or
don't know if necessarily if those were them, Your Honor, but I think we could get this straightened out relatively easily.
yeah, good luck. I'll adjourn the probable cause conference into October 30th, 2025. Let you guys try to work out what ones. 9 a.m. Bond will continue. All right, thank
Your
you.
Honor. Thank you.
He's out.
Yeah.
Court does call the case of the People versus Khalil Burton.
Senator Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sam Bernstein with and on behalf of Mr. Burton. Can you please state your name for the court?
Khalil Burton.
All right.
Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. There's a couple of co-defendants,
Yes.
and they've discussed a date of November 13, which we're agreeable with, if that's agreeable with everyone else.
All right. So November 13th works.
That's fine with me, Your Honor.
And you're indicating that the other attorneys also.
The higher ups at Mr. Vincent's office cleared this date, Your Honor, so I feel good about it.
Got it. All right. Probable cause conference, November 13th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case of the People versus Michael McLean.
Senator Overwater, Assistant Prosecuting Attorney on behalf of the people.
Tina Saxon on behalf of Michael McLean.
Your name, sir?
Michael McLean.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I need to ask for an adjournment on this. I thought we had videos, but we do not have all the discovery I requested. I don't know how long it will take. I don't know how many videos there are.
Any indication?
Judge, I did speak with our legal assistants about video. I think some of those were sent over, but I'll make sure we have everything.
I
Probable
haven't
cause
received
conference.
anything yet.
Okay, probable cause conference, October 23rd, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you. Your
Bond
Honor.
will continue. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Court calls the case of the people versus John Baker. Hacker.
Andrew Dennis. Edward Lucas for John Hacker. John, could you unmute and state your name? It's like he's trying.
John Haker.
All right, thank you, sir.
Asking for an adjournment for additional discussions with the prosecutor.
Matter
There's a
will
lot
be
of video.
adjourned October 30th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Court calls case of the people versus Jamel Bradburn.
People, Your Honor.
Edward Lucas for Jamel Bradford.
Your name?
Jamel Anthony Bradburn.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, I'm asking for a preliminary examination, to my knowledge, every.
What date is it?
October 21st.
People have their witnesses available the 21st. Preliminary examination in person will be set October 21st, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court does call the case of the people versus Terrence Smith.
Edward Lucas for Terrence Smith. Terrence, can you unmute and state your name?
He's gonna have to come. Why am I?
People.
And we have reached a plea in this case. We got to facilitate that into, I need to obtain a signature. I'd ask for 2 weeks. He has a lot of health issues.
But he's taking his ETGs.
I am in receipt of the progress report. He's not tested positive once.
I understand that, but he missed, and then there's a negative.
Yeah, he's in communication with community corrections on making sure that he's testing all the way up until next year.
We'll adjourn this out 2 weeks. Probable cause conference, October 23rd, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll need a green sheet.
Oh, I have one right here.
Bond continued. Court does call the case of the people versus Kevin Claypool.
Jake, on Mr. Claypool. Kevin, will you state your name? Kevin Claypool. Judge, I met with Mr. Claypool at the last night. We went over the discovery. At this time, he'd like to exercise his right to have a preliminary exam in this matter.
Discovery is complete then, to your knowledge.
To my knowledge, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 21st. Preliminary examination in person, October 21st, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge, before me. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'll come and see.
Court does call the case people versus Tracy Williams.
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Lucas for Tracy Williams.
Your name?
Hi, Claycy Williams.
Thank you.
Your Honor, there's some additional discussions that I'm working to try and get a plea in this case. So I'm asking for a 2-week adjournment.
Probable cause conference, October 23rd, 2025. 9 a.m. without objection, bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the cases of the people versus Donald, is it Grandal?
And was in on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Correct. Good morning, I'm Rob Cool. Judge, I'm on case 25-5603. State your name.
Donald Howard Grandall II.
Lauren Brown, Deputy Public Defender, also appearing on behalf of Mr. Grandal.
Judge, I met with Mr. Grandal last night at the jail. We went over the discovery. He would like to proceed with a preliminary exam in this matter.
what are we doing on yours?
You will likewise set down matter for preliminary examination.
And discovery is complete and yours also.
Yep. Best of our knowledge.
Yes, Your Honor.
People have their witnesses available the 21st. Preliminary examination in person will be set October 21st, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Moore. Bond will continue in these
Yeah.
cases.
Thank you, Ron.
Okay.
Court calls case of the people versus, why is this one?
Oh, I apologize. This one.
Court calls case of the people versus Erica Reed.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sheila Saxon on behalf of Erica Reed. Erica, please state your name for the court of this time.
Ms. Reed,
Yes,
state your name, please.
Erica Reed.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I'm only waiting for one document, but I do have videos, I believe all of them, so I would like to set it for a preliminary hearing.
You said all discovery is complete. You were breaking up there.
I have all videos, I believe. There's just one document I'm waiting for that Ms. LT said that she sent, requested.
Okay. Sounded like the clown at the drive-through. I didn't hear a word you said. No, something, you're muffled on your microphone.
Yes, Your Honor, set it for a preliminary exam.
All right, I just want to make sure that discovery is there.
There was one outstanding piece, Your Honor, the defense counsel had wanted something related to the photo lineup. I was able to get that, but it hasn't been disclosed yet, so I'll get that for recording exam.
Very good. And the people would have their witnesses available the 21st.
We will try for that date, Your Honor. Thank you.
Preliminary examination in person, October 21st, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before me.
Okay.
Bond continued.
Thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case, people versus Dominique Kelly Payne.
I just felt this for the people.
Ready on Rob JQ on behalf of Mr. Dominic Payne. Dominic, would you state your name?
Dominic.
Judge, I met with Mr. Payne last night. I was going to ask for an adjournment to get the discovery because I was just appointed late yesterday afternoon. Mr. Bellinger from the PD's office told me that he has referred Mr. Payne to the recovery court, Judge Kunke's recovery court, which he's already in. So at this point, I'll leave it to your discretion. I either adjourn this out a couple weeks or we wait to see if he's accepted into the recovery court, which he should be.
He's already in. You're just looking whether or not they'll take this case in.
Right. Before I was appointed, Mr. Bellinger sent the paperwork in for him to add this case to his recovery program.
Okay. Well, it would seem to make sense to put it out, see if this case goes along with it.
Correct. Plus I can get the discovery.
So I'll adjourn it to October 23rd. Hopefully they'll have an answer, but then 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thanks.
All right, thank
All right, take care. I'll be back.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Court calls the case of the people versus James Abbott.
Ready.
Jacob County for the people, Your Honor.
One Brown deputy. And they're being written on behalf of Mr. Abbott. Which is not. Mr. Abbott, state your name for the record, please.
James Brian Abbott.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for the probable cause conference. My client wishes to waive his right to preliminary examination and agrees to be bound over to circuit court.
Sir, is that correct?
Yes.
All right, you understand the preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
Yes.
And you understand you'll not have that hearing, you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes.
People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on a single count. Mr. Brown.
Your Honor, we acknowledge receipt of the information. We waive its reading on the record. My client will enter a plea of not guilty at this time.
And in every way, formal reading, pleading not guilty, court will enter that plea. Pretrial will be set for
December 4th at 1:30.
December 4th, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Slay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. Thank you.
Yes.
Court calls the case People versus Jamal Jones.
And our assistant prosecuting attorney on behalf of the people.